Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of computer security, a topic that's crucial for anyone navigating the digital landscape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the word about computer security. Thank you for being a part of our community. Introduction to computer security. So, what exactly is computer security? It refers to techniques and practices ensuring that your data stored in a computer cannot be read or compromised by any individuals without authorization. We're talking about encryption, passwords, the virtual keys to the strength. Encryption and passwords are critical elements in safeguarding data and ensuring that only authorized individuals can access sensitive information stored on computers or digital devices. Encryption involves converting data into a coded form that can only be deciphered with the appropriate decryption key, while passwords act as keys granting access to protected data or systems. But why all this effort? Simple. It's about preventing the bad guys from exploiting weaknesses in your digital defense. Imagine your data as a treasure chest. Computer security is the lock that keeps it safe. What is computer security? According to experts at CERT, Computer Emergency Response Team Organization, it's the process of keeping your computer safe from unauthorized access or use. Think of it as the guard at the gate, warding off intruders with malicious intent or those who stumble upon sensitive information accidentally. Another definition, the National Institute of Standards and Technology Computer Security Handbook defines computer security as the protection of an automated information system covering everything from hardware to data and telecommunications. It's like safeguarding the entirety of your digital universe. The next subtopics is the CIA Triad. Now, let's talk about the CIA Triad. No, not that CIA. Here, CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These three key core objectives of computer security. Confidentiality ensures that private data stays private. It's like a VIP section, making sure only the right people or person get access. Privacy, on the other hand, puts you in control of who collects and uses your information. Integrity ensures that information remains unchanged, unmodified, untouched by unauthorized parties. System integrity ensures that your digital systems function as intended, free from manipulation or interference. Availability is all about immediate access for authorized users. It's like having your favorite service ready whenever you need it, or not denied to authorized users. What does secure mean? Now let's unpack secure. It means protecting all your computer-related assets, the hardware, software, and precious data. It's like keeping safe around your computer environments. Hardware, including computer systems and other data processing, data storage, and data communications devices like switches, routers, cables, servers, etc. Software, including the operating system, system utilities, and applications data, including files and databases, as well as security-related data, such as password files. Layers of security. For a well-guarded digital environment, multiple layers of security are key. Think of it as securing the stronghold, the people inside, their actions, communications, and even the pathways they use. Let's see multiple layers of security. Physical security. To protect the physical items, objects, or areas of an organization from unauthorized access and misuse. Personal security. To protect the individual or group of individuals who are authorized to access the organization and its operations. Operations security. To protect the details of a particular operation or series of activities. Communication security. To protect an organization's communications media, technology, and content. Network security. To protect networking components, connections, and contents. Management of information security. To protect of information and its critical elements, including the systems and hardware. Vulnerabilities, threats, attacks, controls. A vulnerability refers to a weakness in a security system, whether it's in procedures, design, or implementation, that could potentially be exploited, leading to loss or harm. A threat to a computing system represents a set of circumstances that could cause loss or harm, a potential breach of security. When a human, particularly someone with malicious intent, a criminal, exploits a vulnerability, they perpetrate an attack on the system. To address these issues, we utilize controls as protective measures. Controls are actions, devices, procedures, or techniques implemented to either remove or reduce a vulnerability. The relationship among threats, controls, and vulnerabilities is crucial. A control acts as a barrier against a threat by managing or mitigating a vulnerability. To create effective controls, it's essential to have a comprehensive understanding of the potential threats. Advanced Persistent Threat, APT. What exactly is an advanced persistent threat? Well, an advanced persistent threat is not your run-of-the-mill cyber threat. It's a sophisticated and stealthy form of cyber attack. Let me break it down for you. Organized, directed, well-financed, patient, silent. Advanced persistent threat attacks are organized. They're not random. They're methodically planned and executed by skilled individuals or groups. They're directed, meaning they have a specific target in mind. Whether it's a government agency, a corporation, or even an individual, advanced persistent threats have a clear aim. What sets them apart is their financial backing. These attacks are well-financed, often supported by resources that allow attackers to operate for extended periods. Now, patience is key. Advanced persistent threats aren't in a rush. They'll wait in systems for months or even years, quietly gathering information. And most notably, they're silent. They operate unnoticeably, making it challenging to detect their presence until it's often too late. So, why should you care about advanced persistent threats? The reality is, these threats pose a significant risk to our digital world. They can compromise sensitive information, disrupt operations, and cause immense damage. Advanced persistent threat attacks have been on the rise, affecting businesses and individuals worldwide. But knowledge is power, and understanding these threats empowers us to better protect ourselves. Threats interception. It refers to an unauthorized party gaining access to an asset without altering or disrupting it. Essentially, they're able to view or capture the asset without making any changes. Interruption. In this scenario, an asset within the system becomes lost, unavailable, or unusable. Unlike interception, interruption involves rendering the asset inaccessible or unusable, rather than just accessing it. Modification. When an unauthorized party not only gains access to an asset, but also alters or tampers with it, the threat is considered a modification. This involves changing the asset's content, structure, or properties. Fabrication. Here, an unauthorized party creates counterfeit or false objects within a computing system. This involves generating fake data, objects, or elements that seem legitimate but are actually unauthorized and fabricated. A malicious attacker must have three things: MOM, method, the skills, knowledge, tools, and other things with which to be able to pull off the attack. Knowledge of systems are widely available. Opportunity. The time and access to accomplish the attack. Systems available to the public are accessible to them. Motive. A reason to want to perform this attack against this system. Security goals. Each security goal highlighted one by one. Confidentiality, integrity, availability. Confidentiality is about ensuring that computer-related assets are accessible only to those who have the proper authorization, whether it's reading, viewing, printing, or merely knowing of their existence. It's all about maintaining secrecy and privacy. Integrity ensures that assets can only be modified by authorized parties or in authorized ways. It's like safeguarding a digital vault against unauthorized changes, ensuring data remains accurate and unchanged. And then there's availability, the goal to ensure assets are accessible to authorized parties when needed. The opposite of availability, denial of service. It's like keeping the doors open for the right people while preventing attackers from disrupting access. Thank you for joining us on this journey through world of computer security. Remember, staying watchful and informed is key to safeguarding your digital assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and tips. Hit that like button and share this video with friends who might benefit from this information. Stay secure, stay safe, and keep exploring the ever-evolving tech landscape. Until next time, happy computing.